I'm making a new bench type to sell on the marketplace for profit. Here's how. I have a lot of pre-made bench tops. I make them from palletwood. Watch the video linked above for a full explanation of this process. Today I'm making a new bench type. I've not made or sold this type yet. I start by planing down the bench top. I want both sides flat and smooth. I mark off the edges with a square. This is where I will cut soon with a circular saw. I dry fit the wanted leg type on my bench top. I need to know the distance between those legs. I use another 2x3 for spacing. Then I glue the legs, keeping a space for the crossbar. I keep them tight with a clamp until dry. Repeat for the 3 other legs. I measure and cut the crossbars. This is the distance I was measuring earlier. I forgot to turn on the dust collection. It's still new to me. Time to clean up. I add 2 pocket holes per side, on one face of the crossbars. They will be hidden and out of sight. Wipe off any glue on the legs before they dry. This will save you trouble later. While the legs dry, I get back to the bench top. I cut with a circular saw on the line I did earlier. Next, I route the edge with my palm router. I use a 45-degree chamfer, both sides of the bench top. Before finishing, I do a light sanding, then hand sand the edges. My planer does a great job already. It's very smooth. I used a hard wax oil to finish. I love the look it gives to palletwood glue-ups. Once dried, I unclamp and cut the legs to length. I decided on 16.5 inches. I plane the legs on the joint side. This hides the gap very well. I run the edges of the bottom of the legs on the belt sander. This gives them protection from splitting. I painted the legs black. The first coat is gray paint that I used as a primer. I don't use that color often and want to get rid of it. Using it as a primer for black works great for me. I should have assembled this before painting. This is my first time making this type. Wet paint it is. I screwed the pocket holes, then add 4 screws from the top. They go directly into the legs under. Don't forget glue. I finalized with my black paint. I would have needed 2 coats of this if it wasn't for the gray. To align the legs to the edge, I used a 2x3 piece of scrap. I then added tape to make sure I stay on track. I sanded off the finish where the legs will be glued. This will help it have proper hold. I add plenty of glue over the sets of legs. This will hold well onto the freshly sanded bench. I pre-drill 6 countersinked holes per side. Make sure your screws are not too long. That's all. This bench is ready for the marketplace. Off screen I made 2 more, which I suggest you do too. It doesn't add that much work and triples your profits. Once you get into the habit of making multiples, it's easy. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.